Today, I'll show you how to edit staff in Microsoft Bookings. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to update a staff member's details, adjust their display, and make sure your booking page always shows the most accurate information. Let's get started inside Microsoft Bookings. Once you're signed in and you've opened the correct booking calendar, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with different options like calendar, booking page, and so on. In that list, click on Staff. This is where all of the people associated with your booking calendar are managed, whether they're employees, team members, or other service providers. After you click Staff, you'll be taken to a page that lists all of your current staff members. Each person usually appears as a row with their name and some basic information. Take a moment to find the specific staff member you want to edit. This is important because any change you make here will affect how they show up in your booking system, so you want to be sure you're selecting the right person. Once you've located the correct staff member in the list, move your mouse over their row. When you hover over that row, you'll see a few icons appear, typically on the right side. Look for the pencil icon, which represents edit. Click that pencil icon to open the staff member's details. You're now in the editing view for that specific staff member. This is where you can modify their information. Take your time here and carefully review what's already filled in. If you need to correct a spelling mistake in their name or adjust how their name appears to customers, you can change it in the name field. This is what clients will usually see on the booking page when they choose who they want to book with. You can also update their initials. These are often used in calendar views as a quick way to identify who a booking belongs to. If the initials aren't clear or you've changed the person's name, it's a good idea to update this field so it stays consistent and easy to recognize. If you need to adjust the staff member's phone number, you can do that here as well. Make sure you enter a number that is current and appropriate for customer or internal contact. Double check the number before moving on, since this can be important for reminders, confirmations, or follow-up calls. Another helpful option in this editing view is the calendar color. Each staff member can be assigned a specific color for their bookings. Changing the assigned calendar color can make it much easier to quickly see whose appointments are whose when you're looking at the main calendar. Choose a color that stands out and is different from other staff members, especially if you have a large team. This small change can make day-to-day schedule management much clearer. Once you've finished making all the changes you need, look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top of the editing window. Click Save to apply your updates, give it a moment to process, and then you should see your changes reflected in the staff list and on the calendar. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit staff in Microsoft Bookings, from opening the staff page, to adjusting details, to saving your changes so your booking calendar stays accurate and easy to manage.